5:19 now. Let's take a look at this video right here. This was sent to us from our viewer Ann yesterday. You could see large chunks of hail falling. This was in the Howards Grove area. So this is what many of our viewers experienced across southeast Wisconsin. Very significant hail that fell yesterday. Storms that rolled through the area as well. This morning a little bit more quiet, not dealing with anything like that, but yeah,
cool, breezy. It was very busy in the world of weather. We had, a number of hail reports. That was our big primary concern. Tomorrow, looking like we might have another round of potential severe weather once we get through some potential winter weather in the morning. So, I mean, it's an all four seasons day here in southeast Wisconsin. Again, welcome to April, I guess. We do have more video of some hail that fell. This was over in Delavan from some of those storms yesterday. Ray sending this video to us. This is just, I mean, incredible. Some of these storms were able to grow very quickly and develop that lottery ball machine. That's what I like to refer to it as. In the updraft of the thunderstorm, it keeps those suspended hailstones, droplets rolling around. They're freezing and refreezing, and that's how you get some of that pretty damaging hail. We always appreciate your weather photos, reports. Be sure to send them to us. Let's talk tmj4.com/share. And this time tomorrow, I'm going to be very interested in what you're seeing outside, because farther north of Milwaukee, there is a chance that we could shake out a bit of a wintry mix, even some freezing rain, as we welcome in our next chance of widespread rain, which is going to take up the majority of our Thursday forecast. Now, later in the afternoon and evening, there is yet another opportunity for some strong and even potentially severe storms. High pressure in place today, but clouds are going to stick around. It is cool. It is breezy out there with a direct northeast wind off of Lake Michigan for everybody. We're barely going to make it to 40 degrees today, but tonight, scattered showers, and you can see wintry mix starts to form over the state of Wisconsin. There are actually winter weather advisories and even an ice storm warning out for parts of north central Wisconsin because of this tonight. However, warm fronts very close. It will be warming very quickly throughout the course of the day. So anything that was wintry mix in our neighborhood will quickly switch over to rain by the mid to late morning hours. Then as we head into the afternoon, lines of showers and storms are really going to keep an eye out towards the center of the low. It's this cluster of storms right here that our in-house model's trying to paint. Watching how that progresses, it's a very conditional risk for severe weather. If we're able to see some clearing, a little bit of some sunshine between these rounds of rain, we could further destabilize the atmosphere and even see those stronger severe storms late in the day. 33 degrees right now in Milwaukee. That northeasterly wind at about 15 miles per hour coming in right off the lake. Low to mid 30s area wide. It is cool. It is breezy out there. Storm chaser, as you just saw, is with Kid O'Shea in Bayview. But we back the map out here. A lot of cloud cover over the state and quite a bit of rain still ongoing across parts of Illinois, Indiana, which already saw quite a bit of rain from yesterday. So clouds around here for this afternoon. We'll get the temperatures again only into the mid and upper 30s. That wind is going to be quite breezy. And then tonight, those scattered showers move in. Now, this high resolution model trying to keep a lot of the wintry mix at bay, but does bring it in again, mainly north and west of Milwaukee for a time. And then we start to see that rain take over. If we do have some dry periods in here, that could lead to some more instability that would help promote some stronger storms here late in the day, probably between about 7 and 9 p.m. Slight level 2 risk out for southern Wisconsin, parts of Michigan. We're up to 61 for our Thursday, 58 Friday, more rain Saturday, and we'll look for temperatures to remain in the 40s heading into next week.